Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Tesh, this is all your fault. Aaron's to run today, Josh. Much love. Safe Aaroning, Josh. Let's go, let's go. Music is what I'm looking for. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. Jay, hello, hello. Really, good morning. Regina, good morning. Shima, MLG. I'll take a look at MLGO. And then we have ONDS, obviously. Wayne, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Teggy, good morning. Lion, good morning. Grun, good morning. JB, hello, hello. Seven, yo, 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 hello. Lizzie, good morning. A, good morning. Devin, good morning. Just chilling. Blood? No more blood, please. Well, at least this is your last week of it. Tony, good morning. Jericho, good morning. Good morning, everybody. AK, Ayo. Hello, hello. Yeah, looks like we're finally getting a dip ski on ONDS. So I wonder if it's going to stay above $1.20 or come back and retest the VWAP. You almost wanted to come back down and retest something, not just bounce up $1.20. It would be nice, but I don't think there's really anything there other than a little bit of resistance that we had there before. But we'll see. Make sure that thing consolidates though. Good morning, CM. Will you? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So watch $1.20 and then watch the VWAP. And if it's selling off, closer to $1 would be nice. Maybe a bounce after 9:45. Yeah, I agree. Lion. Yeah, this one is a clear standout for now. TNON is another one, right? Good run after hours and then continued pre-market this morning and then sold off. Sold off to support, right? This level was important yesterday. I don't want to scroll back. But so it looked like we bounced up $1.70 and then we're failing at the VWAP, right? So right below like 195. If it's gonna run, it's gonna need to break above 195. So either come back down and retest that bottom or break above 195. One of the two, that's fine. AWH is the top gainer this morning because they had news. But it had that early pump and now it looks super, super sus, right? But it is building support at like 34 cents. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Alrighty. Sonoma, obviously, we've been talking about this one for 2 days now. This is the second day, right? This thing was good yesterday, right? It had that resistance in after hours. I think we were looking for like 360, and then it finally broke above 360. But then it went right back below and then continued this morning. So for now, you can clearly see like there's a lot of supply at the top there between 450 and 460. So, and then a bit of support closer to like $4. Alrighty, so $4 and then 380 for this one for Sonoma. So I would say this is maybe the second name on the watch list, right? So ONDS, Sonoma, and then TNON, right? And then there are a few more names. Like WATT seems to have some weird hype on social media. I'm not sure why, but anyways, I think it's because it spiked earlier. So we'll keep an eye on that thing. Why am I charging without being plugged in? That's interesting. Alrighty, and then the if we're gonna have a penny stock rally today, DGLY seems to have a lot of hype, so we can keep an eye on that one as well. We can keep an eye. I'm gonna set an alert for WATT, and then we can move on. Let me take a look at MLGO. MLGO. Yeah, that was a nice little run on this one here. Is that a double top? Yeah. So it looks like we just failed that 490-ish Shima. Okay. We shall see. Don't even need to honestly bother. Does anybody need to look at Bitcoin, the S&P, anything? Do we need to like ruin our morning by looking at that stuff? No, right? Right? Oh, same page? Same page. Okay, good. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Let me go back to ONDS for now. It kind of looks like we are consolidating there, doesn't it? Bet you AK full mode already. Full mode already. YYAI is back. Mm, okay, sounds good. Yeah, it looks like we're curling off $1.20. I think the only downside now is ONDS. SNOA. I want to see what our AWH is doing here again. Again, it's the top gainer, but it doesn't seem to have like the vibes. I wonder if that's because it's interesting. Okay, let's see if it eventually runs though. Eventually. Without losing your settings. So the problem is you will always lose some of your settings, but when you update it this way, you don't lose all of your settings. Um, so if I zoom in on the left hand side, you see that little like update circle. It just reminds you that hey, you have an update on one of your indicators, right? So you just have to click the drop down menu, and when you click that, obviously the algo is going to come up, right? And then you just if you go to the right hand side of the algo, like right there, it's going to give you that update circle. You can just click on update, right? Click on update, and it's going to say update latest version, and then you can just update it. Like I said, you're going to lose like maybe one or two things, but for the most part, it should kind of stay, should kind of stay the same. Um, like most of your settings should be okay, and then you just have to change like one or two things. I think when I updated mine, the only thing I needed to change was like the 200 EMA, the 200 EMA, and then change the color. That was it. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And then that little bug should be fixed. Dang, my is that my Discord? Oof. Hopefully when I press unmute, you guys can. Um, you know what? I'm just gonna change the settings. It's because you guys spam a lot. That's why. It's you guys' fault. Good morning, Maxo. Hello, hello. Ayo, Emma. What's up? What's up? Okay, let me go back. I think ONDS probably the favorite name going into the open. And we kind of seem slow, right? But again, just like what AK mentioned, we're really close to the open. I think everybody's being cautious. Um, so being cautious. Do, 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 do. Being cautious. Is anybody buying the dip on Tesla? Anybody? My goodness. I cannot believe that stock. I mean, we last night we were at like 112. Yeah, I mean, for the most part 115, and then I think we sold up a bit more. But dang, shish. Yeah, Robin Hood too, like, just straight violence all over the place. Poof. From a high of almost like, $67. $67 to $35. Like we've had some crazy dips, like some really nice opportunities on some of these large cap stocks. Hmm. Doo, doo, doo. I might need to get some more tea. I woke up in the middle of the night. My throat was killing me. My goodness, killing me. Doo, doo, doo. Hmm. But yeah, speaking of Tesla, there's Dan. Dan, good morning. You might need to average down on those Tesla calls. Buy some more dipskis. Time for a rebound, please. ONDS, yep. Honestly, don't mind, AK. Don't mind, right? Get the sell off out of the way before the market opens and then go from there. La la la. Good morning, Lon, Virus, and Rust. Sammy, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Amanda, good morning. A couple of nice scalps in Discord are amazing, very helpful. Let's go. I saw, yeah. Monies, yeah. Like, it's really nice, when you can hang out in Discord before the market opens, right? It's really, really nice. Hang out in the community, ideas are there, you can trade, and then we get to the open and it's super slow. And then it's like, okay, you know what? Never mind. I made monies already, anyways. I don't mind, honestly. The view app closer to $1, this demand zone, I don't mind. We only have 7 minutes though, so I don't know if it's going to do that. Patricia, good morning. Mark, good morning. Thomas, good morning. Good morning, Andrew. Let's go. A legend. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Nice and early. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty? Come join us. Question for you guys going into the open. What's your favorite stonk? What's your favorite stonk as we approach the open? So yeah, it looks like Tesla is rebounding a bit, which is good, right? Sheesh. My goodness, can you imagine the people that bought Tesla about 400 and then less than a month later they're holding a minus 50% bag? That's nasty. SNOMA, yep. SNOMA is one of the names we like going into the open. It's had a pretty big run already, so be careful, but yeah, we'll see. S- 4 minutes. You did? You bought when it was at 400? Shush. Anyways, yeah, for Sonoma, watch the 200 for now, right? So watch that 200 EMA, and if that level doesn't hold, then maybe we go back and retest the $4 range. If not, then we're looking for this range, right? So 380. So 200 EMA, $4, and then 380 already, and then we go from there. Waiting to see where the bottom is before you buy some more index funds. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Or you could just scale in. You could buy a little bit at a time. Isn't that crazy, virus? Yeah. You know who's happy that's happening? Alan. Good morning, Alan. Good morning. So again, let me quickly refresh the gainers list, and then we can kind of go over this stuff, and then we're good to go. So we open in 4 minutes. Ciao, Bob. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Um, I hate when the screen is covered in rubbish, silly ads. Anyways, so TSVT is the top gainer. Not sure why I don't have that up. I'm gonna pull that up. So they filed an SEC filing, which I really don't want to pull up on stream or go over. So those guys have a catalyst. AWH has a catalyst. Super weak though. And then of the top three, ONDS is the one that actually has a good PR, it seems. So I think that's why we like it a bit more. So, but yeah, so TSVT, AWH, and ONDS do actually have catalysts. The rest are just momentum rallies. So that's about it though. That's all I wanted to look at. Even SNOMA. SNOMA is just a momentum stock, at least today, right? Because it's the second day of running. SYRS doesn't have a catalyst, just vibes. It might just be if the market slows down, I think we might need to move on to penny stocks, and that might be one of the names that benefits, especially with a lot of volume. But that's about it though. Just wanted to see. In terms of levels again, right? Going into the open, Sonoma, watch for that 200 EMA already, and then watch $4 just because you have that pre-market bottom there, and then watch for the breakout zone at 380 if we start selling off. You can kind of see where the resistance is at, right? So right above 440, that's your resistance on that thing. Alrighty. ONDS, I want to see that thing can consolidate around the VWAP. If not, watch for dollar, watch for that demand zone. So for now, it is kind of sitting at a nice level. But once the market opens and you get a bit more selling pressure, we might just break below that VWAP. So again, be patient at the open, please, unless you're feeling a bit, like you want to take an initial position at the VWAP before the market opens and hope for a pop. Um, but the safer thing to do will always be to wait and hope that we get some more selling pressure, and then you can buy cheaper. Alrighty, so that looks good. TNON is the other one that we like, but it's failing quite a bit at the VWAP, and I honestly don't mind if this thing wants to sell up to 170 at the open. Alrighty. Like I said, AWH was the second name on the list. They have a catalyst, right? And it's been downtrending into the open, so I kind of don't like that. But we'll see what happens at the open here. Clearly, your next resistance is the VWAP at 36 cents, right? And then if we can sell off again to the as soon as I saw the name of the company, I wanted to say something, but anyways, it's Virus's fault. AK Virus's fault. But anyways, so 36 cents for your next resistance on AWH, and then 32 for support. Alrighty, okay. Markets open, so let's see what happens here. I feel like I want to pay a bit more attention to ONDS and see if we can stay above that VWAP. Yeah, another thing to keep in mind, with ONDS is that the float is 90 million, right? So I want to see if the volume actually comes in on a stock that's 90 million. Because if it doesn't, then it might just drag, right? It's a heavier float, so it moves nice in pre-market because it's pre-market. It doesn't have too much resistance, but once the market opens, you really get to feel like the heaviness of the float. So alrighty, TNON is slowly selling off to that 170 level we just talked about. Sonoma is popping, like it's just causing chaos at this point, which is typical, right? So resistance above 140, like I mentioned, and then a bit of support at the 200. So it looks like it's testing both of those levels now, and then going from there. ONDS again, don't mind if that thing wants to dip a bit more, and then consolidate, and then we can go from there. AWH, same range, failing at the VWAP, right? But well above the the bottom of the range. So there's really nothing to see there yet. Tesla is running a little bit, and now Robinhood is coming back down. Not that I really care. So I want to take a look at. I'm just gonna leave it for now. I really wish ONDS had a smaller float. That would have been way nicer. Yeah, it didn't. Oh wow, that was right there too, Lion. It's right there. Dang, yeah, right at the 200, right? Dang it. Shish. Well, let's see if it actually breaks out though. If it actually breaks out. So it looks like we're still failing at $4.40 on that thing, right? But holding the 200 EMA. ONDS is selling off closer to the dollar like we wanted it to, right? So that's a good thing. Keep dipping, we don't mind. SYRS is looking good though, right? SYRS. So if today becomes a penny stock day, like I said, this one has some really good volume, and it's really benefiting from it. Up 100% now. 104. Not bad. Okay. Here comes that the retest of that demand zone for ONDS. Do, 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 do. Uh, Come on, ONDS. We're not gonna get there, are we? Dang it. Yeah, I think you can clearly tell like it has a bigger float, 90 million. So we'll see what it decides to do. What's ONDS doing? Not ONDS. Sonoma. Yeah, Sonoma broke below, right? So clearly, again, lots of resistance at the top there. You have pivots, you have supply zones, you have all the information you need to know that that's resistance. So now watch for $4. $4. Lion, if your order was there, it probably filled. Probably filled. Um, SYRS is not stopping. That thing's like, yep, I'm a penny stock. I have a lot of volume. Just let me go. Is anybody holding a SYRS in the chat? Anybody? Two, two, two. 20 cents. Retire you are. Very nice. Yeah, that was a good breakout. Very, very good breakout. Yashima, I like it. Yeah, you guys remember when we were talking about, like the stocks you should be paying attention to, especially in the open, like at the open, if you're not sure what to do, the ones you should be paying attention to are the ones that are breaking above the pre-market highs, right? Especially if it's not a crazy run to get there. Once you clear that level, people start to FOMO, and because it's a breakout, change of structure, right? So, and then obviously 20 cents is going to be a bit of an obstacle, but that's a really good breakout. Nice, Captain. I like it. Well done. Captain's made that daily goal already. Made the daily goal. Come on. Come on, ONDS. Keep dipping. Here we go. I, let's see. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Keep time to buy Mullen. Is it ever time to buy Mullen, honestly? It looks like SNOMA is still trying to hold that dollar, isn't it? When something's below the 200 like this, you can take the gamble, but the safer thing to do would be to wait for a curl, right? Especially when it's below all of the moving averages, unless you're just feeling a bit gambly. TNON is holding that next support. I think we wanted this thing to come back and retest that 170, right? So it's retesting it. AWH, same range, but holding that 32. So if we can stay above that, then that's okay. SYRS is cooking though. I think said, hey guys, let me cook. Let me cook. So if you're still in this one, congratulations. Is it time to buy Mullen? No. I mean, you can if you want to. Can if you want to. There we go. There we go. Uh, there you go. There's that $1 range we wanted for ONDS, right? So let's see if they can consolidate around this level and then give us a bounce. Alrighty. So that heavy float was clearly an obstacle for it. But yeah, let's see how that plays out. TNON is still stuck around 70 cents, $1.70. AWH is still stuck around that 32. SNOMA is doing a good job of actually holding $4. Wicking below but closing the candles right back above, so that's good. Right back above, and then SYRS, right? Yeah, Cocoa of the morning. Yeah, Tesh. Yeah, absolutely. So it gave us the dip we wanted. AK, did you get in, or are you just kind of watching for now? Kind of watching for now. So let's see if we can make some monies on ONDS. Give us some monies, ONDS. It's gonna be super slow though, right? Like that float is heavy. So heavy, heavy, heavy stonk. Heavy, heavy. I think that's the downside with this one is the float. At least it'll be easy to manage though. Easy to manage. If nothing else is moving, then maybe but yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Sonoma is like, hey guys, don't forget about me. Don't you forget about me. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, Tesh, let's see what it does. Hmm. Kind of don't like what it's doing now. Do, 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 do. Yeah, no, Sonoma does look good. It just has resistance at 440, Benjamin. $4.40 to 450. Do, 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 do. Good morning, Riva. Hello, hello. Okay, there we go. There you go. Okay, perfect. Did you take all of those trades at the same time, Luna, or like those are just separate trades? Yeah, those are separate trades, right? Yeah, because those that's a lot of you're green on all of those trades though, which is good. So good job. Well done. Green is good. Come on, something give us a new breakout here. Everything just kind of looks sus. ONDS is still sitting around $1 there, right? So that thing. Yeah, there we go. It's just sitting there. Yeah, I think that heavy float is going to be a huge obstacle for ONDS. Z float. AWH is retesting that VWAP, so 36 cents, right? For anybody that's in it. Good bottom though, right? So 32 has been holding and then back to 36. Alrighty. SNOMA, clearly again resistance at 440, so not a huge surprise that it's failing there, right? SYRS, SYRS. Yeah, so it looked like it stalled a little bit at 2150 and then is retesting. So yeah, and then that's Tesla with the pop, right? So maybe the markets finally come back a little bit today. Again, ONDS, that heavy float, still just sitting there. Again, closer to $1 was a good gamble, right? It's just sitting there though, which is not a bad thing. Um, but that thing needs volume. It needs to get cooking because we're getting tired of it. Come on. Come on. 107. Like, what are we doing here? We stuck? Yeah. Come on, Tesh. Buy the entire float. The entire float. Take it yesterday was another red day, Cheddar. It was the worst red day in the market for a long, long time. Some stocks had the worst red day since COVID. That says a lot, right? As red as yesterday was pretty bad, like pretty bad. It's been a long time since we saw redness like that. So yeah. Anyways, SYRS is pushing back to that resistance. Red as red. Uh, So it looks like, yeah, the markets are kind of green today, except for Apple, which is interesting. Apple's usually the one that's green. But anyways, yeah, Apple is green today. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I mean, again, we kind of needed, we need a green day. Like we can't just keep having reds on reds, especially after having the worst red day since 2022 or 2020 for some stocks. Like we need to rebound. So if you bought dips yesterday, you're kind of you're having a bit of a smile today, at least for now, until tomorrow. Until tomorrow. Um, Alrighty. So yeah, that look. Most of these names look really good. What's Spy at? 160. Wait, Spy is actually red. Isn't that interesting? Hmm. Yeah. Isn't that interesting? Very, very interesting. Anyways, SNOMA is going back down to retest that 380 support, and it looks like we double top for SYRS. AWH double top at the VWAP. Not surprised, right? So we're clearly in that market where like you don't want to be diamond hunting anything. Like as soon as you see resistance and it's failing at resistance, just take your monies and move on. Take your monies and move on. Z80. ONDS is just gonna chill here, isn't it, Sesh? Just gonna chill there. Just chilling. It's like you guys wanted $1. You can have $1 all day if you want. So when it says your EMA, it should tell you which one has been selected, and it's usually the 20. Um, it says that just so you can pick whatever EMA you want, and you can change the setting. But I think usually initially the 20 is selected, Lion. Alrighty. So there goes ONDS. It's trying to, but my goodness, is it slow. You can clearly tell that that stock has a heavy float. 20. Okay. 108. TNON, nothing. This one really honestly hasn't given us very much today though. I tried to 170. AWH, nada. Double top, straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. ONDS, it's like, come on now, I'll give you 2 pennies. 2 pennies. Two. Honestly, virus, yeah, I saw that and uh ready to curl. Yeah, well, something needs to curl, something needs to cook. Needs to cook. Do. Okay. Oof, Tesla's cooking. Dan, you can smile a little bit today, Eric, CUTR, are you in a position? I haven't looked at that one today, actually. I'll take a look. Are you in a position, though? CUTR. It looks like 22 cents. 22 pennies. 3,000 points. It lost 2,900 points. Oh my goodness. Yeah, yesterday was ugly. Like, not good at all. Not good at all. But it is what it is, Opportunities, I guess. SYRS is going back to retest that 22 as well. Eric, yeah, hopefully that answered your question. There you go. Okay. ONDS tapped 110 and then immediately went back to the abyss. It's like, hey, I hope you took your gain, so I hope you moved your stop loss up. It's too early to tell, Dimitri. And then that thing said bye bye, bye. Right. So it looks like that double top at 110. That was it. It's like nope. Yeah, move. Yeah, you did good. Yeah, because if you didn't, that thing came back a little gain, better than a loss, right? Better than a loss. I think people are just tired with with the float. The float. Yeah, as soon as yeah, Tesh, absolutely. You have to move that stop loss up, even if it's 2 cents, even if it's 1 penny. Mm-mm. Yeah, it's holding 380 for now, so that's good. Yeah, no, so again, is this the bull trap or is it's way too early to tell already. So the question you ask yourself is, okay, like what's the reason we sold off, right? So we sold off because of tariffs, quite a few things on the list, right? So, but for the most part, like the tariffs, right? So now if you ask yourself, like, okay, well, rebounding, like, is that issue gone? It's not gone, right? So and honestly, we're only bouncing like now. The market isn't even closed yet. We might end the day back in the red, right? So it's way too early to tell if this is just a bull trap or if this is like an actual rebound. Um, you know, but again, if you're looking for like positions that you're planning on scaling into or like long-term positions, you should be scaling in, right? And forget about the rest. Usually by the time that you realize that, oh, I should have bought the dip, it's too late, right? Too late. The markets will always be 10 steps ahead. So by the time you realize that, oh, you know what, like I should have bought the dip skis, or like, oh, that issue's been fixed, the market is like 5% higher. And then it's too late at that point. So too late. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Uh, mm, okay. Okay, you're good to go, Lion. Perfect. Good morning, Shoy. Doche, good morning. Hello. FTFT, you're stuck at 25 cents. Can you let me know if I should sell or not? Sure. FTFT. Except Warren Buffett has been selling, selling, selling. So you bought this thing at 25 cents. It must have been a few days ago then. Um, I mean, when you look at the daily, it kind of looks like it's sitting at the bottom, doesn't it? Yeah, looks like it's sitting at the bottom. I would almost just set a stop loss like right below 20 cents and then pray that it stays above 20 cents. Romeo, right? Like look at the daily candles. Um, the only time we've been below 20 cents is on this candle on the 28th of February, right? That's the only time. Every other candle's bounced up 20 cents. So you don't want to be selling positions at the bottom, right? You want to at least give it a bit of hope. Put your hands together and pray. Kimbella AO, right? Because you sell this thing and then it starts rocking from the bottom and you're like, dang it, I knew it. So just every time you're looking to do that, and you're already holding a bank, just pull up the daily chart and go from there. SYRS is looking good, yeah. Nice curl. Do you think it will go up? I didn't set a stop loss limit, Wink. Well, I mean, you should always do that, right? So now you have to decide you have to decide. Pfizer and milk chocolate? Hmm, that doesn't sound healthy. SYRS. Maybe it is going to be a penny stock day today. In 5 minutes. So we're going to go back to red, is what you're saying? Straight to the abyss. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Is Bitcoin green? Hmm. Yeah, Bitcoin's green today. Slightly. You're getting puts already, Mark? Um, hmm. Hmm. Like not cash secured puts though, right, Mark? Not Yeah. Ready? Not buying? Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, because when you do those puts, you want to do it when we're getting, you prepared? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, as soon as ONDS broke below a dollar, it was, why does everything other than like SYRS, why does everything else look like garbage? Yeah, like everything, like absolute garbage. Ridiculous. PSTV looks interesting, but PSTV. Hmm. Yeah, Tony. Absolute doo doo. Seems like they have earnings as well today for some reason, Tony. Earnings. Can't wait for something to run up like 1,000%, Please. Can we get back to those days? Please and thank you. I mean, yeah, Sonoma looks like it's closing above that range. AK. So let's see if it curls again. It might be a nice double bottom. Doesn't look healthy yet though. Right? That last candle had way too much selling pressure on it. So at this point you kind of need to let it curl. uh, Manchester United. SYRS. Keep going. 6% coin. Yeah. Coin. Coinbase. And now, I think that's why I kind of stayed away from it, Shima. Yeah, no, SYRS is sitting right at that breakout level. So 24.50, 25 cents. Wait, that's all you got? Let me pull up the stock. Manchester. Does Manchester City have a stock or it's just United? Yeah, the volume is kind of trash too, isn't it? It's like 23,000 shares. The last time I looked at this stock, it was $25. I think it's when they were potentially getting bought out, and it had all that hype. But yeah, look at it. Maybe not $25, closer to 18, I guess. But it's a nice double bottom though for the Manchester United fans. Why would I get more? Good question. Yeah, good bottoms. What's Spy doing? Oh, that's the news Dan was talking about. Look at the candle, like straight to the abyss, double bottom, and then right back to new highs of the day. Oof. Yep. Abyss, back to the top. You can clearly tell though that like we're not really going anywhere. When we have a red day, we gap down 2% and then we sell off 3%. Like we're not even up like, we're up 9 cents. We're back to red for the day again. Like the markets don't really know what they want to do. And that's what I mean. Like we're not really out of the woods yet, right? Until we have like a catalyst, a reason to be out of the woods, we're not really going anywhere. So uh the week isn't done yet. And we're back to red. uh Unbelievable. Wait, are you glad you didn't bet because you're winning or because I'm winning, Jax? Like why are you happy? Anyways, yeah, we're back to the bottom again. Like we're about to make new lows. Like all of this is just unnecessary. Unnecessary. Um, Not really though. Not really, Jax. It's not that far away. Here we go. We just made new lows of the day. And let the violence begin. Let the violence begin. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, no, it'll be interesting to see if we consolidate above 550 for the rest of the week, or if we get good news, or just something. For now, clearly we're still going back to the abyss. Place the bet, Jax. Place the bets. Oh, like puts, like not cash secured puts, though, right, Mark? I thought you were looking for cash secured puts on something else, not on SPY. On SPY, yeah. Yeah. On cash secured puts, then just different. Then I would be doubting that, but because when you don't want it to be dipping anyways when you get those, so that was my hesitation mark, like when you're getting into your positions. And learn to buy puts. Cheddar. Yes, yes, yes. Dang. Look at this. Look. Oh my days. Jax, you better place the bet. 50, which is bad news. Yeah. My goodness. This is just nastiness. Like, look how easy it is for the markets to, go down like $4 versus how hard it is to go up 10 cents. Right? So there's your direction. I think yesterday's low was what? 555? Yeah. Blood on the streets, guys. Seriously, Tony. Seriously. We bought the dip. We bought the dip. Uh-oh. What did Trump say now? Of course he said something. Can you guys get your president to, like, can you guys anyways. Of course we're crashing because of Trump. Of course. Trump says, uh instructed Secretary of Commerce to add additional 25% tariffs to 50% on all steel and aluminum coming into the United States from Canada. Of course. These will go into effect tomorrow morning. Of course. Of course. Trump threatens to permanently shut down Canada car industry. Of course. Trump will shortly be declaring a national emergency of electricity. Of course. Of course. Of course. Free fall down, Dan. Unbelievable. Of course. Of course. It's not like we could just be selling off. Maybe we bet. I'm ready. I'm ready, Jax. Ready. Of course. Of course. Again, I think they're doing it intentionally. At this point, as soon as the market shows, any signs of like life, they're like, no, no, no. Trump, open your mouth. How does it look? It looks like it's consolidating above 160, Yang. Looks like it's consolidating. No, I think we're all on the same page though, that like, he's trying to get something out of this, right? It's not just tariffs, right? I think we all understand that, but I think it's just getting, and he's not getting it because everybody is in, giving him what he wants. Um, I think we understand that, right? So which is fine. This stuff isn't gonna last. It's gonna be gone at some point, just like everything else, right? It's gonna be gone soon. But I think it's just annoying in the moment when you see the markets going down. There's nothing more, yeah, it does virus. It does, right? So it does, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. So yep. So again, I don't think they're gonna stay, right? Don't think they're gonna stay. I think that's why he does it for 24 hours, and then it's like, okay, we're gonna move it to next month. Yeah, politicians are more petty than more petty than kids on the playground. Do, 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 do. But yeah, again, if these tariffs, I get the, I think it would be a problem though, virus, if these tariffs were around for a month, like if they actually got put on and they stayed on, right, and then these companies started increasing their prices, and then we would have a real problem. But they really haven't yet, right? Because then at that point they're getting passed on to the consumer. Then what's the point? Like, what's the point of saying, oh, prices are too high, and then putting tariffs and stuff, and then so prices go even higher, right? So uh, yeah, I mean, if they stay on virus, that's going to be the end result, right? But I think they're all just playing around right now. Oh, tariffs are here. Oh, they're getting delayed till next month. Oh, they go into effect tomorrow. Oh, okay, we're talking, so they're on next month, right? So I think they're all playing games with us, right? So nothing has really gone into effect yet, Um, so again, I think they're just playing around for now, trying to make deals. Like, look at the markets. And that's what I mean. Like, when people say, oh, is this the bull trap or not, or a bear trap or not? No, we can't really say anything yet because, again, the reason why we're selling off isn't gone, right? And if that reason isn't gone yet, then you can't be confident that the markets will keep going up. So we go up, and then he opens his mouth, and we're back to the lows of the day, right? It just takes one tweet. That's it, right? Like, we were looking good, and then all of a sudden he started yapping, and then we made brand new lows of the day, and now we're rebounding again. Very oh my goodness, volatility. SYRS again. I think people are going on, looking at the penny stocks now, which is fine, right? If the markets are volatile, people look for penny stocks. And take monies. Yeah, exactly, virus. Exactly, exactly. Yeah. But again, if these guys don't make an agreement soon, and these tariffs actually do go into place, and then that's when we can start really complaining. Cheap money's control. La, 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 la. Yeah, exactly, Mark. Exactly. Well, I think that's what Jax was saying too. So yeah, yep, yep, yep. Mark, yep. I think if you just go back and look at the stuff that Trump ran on, you can see what he's trying to do. Rated too high, borders need to be secured, blah 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 blah, stuff like that, right? So again, you can clearly tell by the first time he did these tariffs, what he got out of it was troops at the border, right? He didn't actually get anything else other than troops, and then he delayed the tariffs for a month. So he's looking to get other things out of this, right? So for now, we're still okay. But if these other countries say no, thank you, we're not going to do this anymore, right? And these tariffs stay in place because Trump doesn't want to back down, and then we're all going to start to feel the pain of prices going up. Yeah. Then yeah. Out of this, so far. Mhm. Doo, doo, doo. Yeah, I think that's the other thing too, right? Is you can do a 25% tariff on some of these companies, um, but some of them would still rather stay in some of these other countries because at the end of the day, it's going to be cheaper over there. So I don't know. They know what they're doing, I guess. Hopefully, we hope they know what they're doing. Jurash, yeah, we just talked about that. Jogrash, hey, yo, how are you? Right. So yeah, the fighting Canada. They're like, Canada, we want your stuff. Canada is like, no, 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 no. But We shall see. We shall see. Again, the penny stock SYRS is looking really, really good. This has been the best performer so far this morning. Uh, Come on, Lion. Don't make us fight you. Yeah. Off from the States. I do. Yeah, I'm kind of ready for all of this rubbish to be over, honestly. I kind of ready. Watch Sunday night. They're gonna make deals. Sunday night. Uh, and next, Eric. Spy is going back to the bottoms again. Sonoma said nope, no thanks. So again, the only thing that's done well today is SYRS. Yeah. Looks like your next supply is 2750 though. Uh uh unbelievable. Type in yes in the chat if you're tired of the rubbish. You're tired of all this Trump rubbish. Type in yes in the chat. Jax, if you say no, I'm gonna time you out. By the way. No. Uh, unbelievable. You guys are not tired of this rubbish, Rob? These are the Canadian haters. Rob and Jax and Archer. Actually, Archer's making money in puts. That's why. That's why. Unbelievable. We want fairness. Don't worry, you'll see fairness, all right? Let these tariffs stay in place. If these tariffs stay in place, you better be holding some puts. We need something to yap about? No, I agree. I agree. Ah, we are getting 100 plus point moves. Yeah, and you're happy about that, huh? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, no, I'm for sure tired of this rubbish, honestly. I think initially I was okay with it because again, brand new president, he wants to make a difference, blah, 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 you know? And not just from the US side, like all these countries need to come together and make deals, right? And just move on. Unless Trump is being, let me, unreasonable and asking for too much, then the dude needs to relax. What I do know for sure, though, is the dude needs to stay off social media. We used to like not hear from Biden for like 6 months. Like 6 months, we wouldn't hear from Biden, and then we would only see him, when he went out for cookies and ice cream. Like in the middle of the night, you like it's a Trump tweet. Nobody asked you. Wish you could post gift. Unbelievable. We just want peace. Ah, where is Biden? Somebody wake him up. Ah, unbelievable. No tweets. No tweets, please. 6 months. So you're talking about bad about yeah, exactly. You know, if we roast, right, Rob? Yeah. We'll love him now. Exactly. We need to turn this algo around. It doesn't, you know, when we were loving him, the algo was like, nope, can't have this. Can't have this. Anyways, let's get back on the algo good side. No more nice things. There we go. SYRS is looking really good though. This is definitely the best performing stonk today. Penny stonk. Penny stonk. Mm-mm. Looks like Spies equally is confused. He does. He actually does. Yes, he has. Oh well. I mean, yeah. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Smash a like. Benjamin. Yeah, 29 cents. Cooking. Type in yes in the chat if you are holding SYRS. Seems like at this point everybody should be holding this one. Mm, downtrend. No, 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 no. Earnings on Thursday. Yeah. Mark, are you still on stream? Yeah, I like when it's at the bottom of the range, and then yeah. I honestly thought when you asked, you were planning on waiting till like the day of earnings and hoping that we would be dropping. But yeah, yeah. On the drop is perfect, obviously, right? And then go from there. Go, go, go. SNOMA is. Yeah, it bounces a little bit and then goes back to the bottom of the range, Benjamin. So just be careful, please, right? Make sure that thing stays above 355, 350 at the least, at the lowest it can go. Otherwise, you're going to be in a really tough spot. So 355 is your low of the day now. ONDS again, as soon as that thing broke below dollar, you shouldn't, again, move your stop losses up or leave the stop loss at the bottom, right? I don't know, or I haven't seen the dude. No one has a reason to look at him anymore. So I don't know. Maybe he's enjoying the beach now. Enjoying the beach. The only thing that's cooking is Trump's social media account and SYRS poll. uh, he's enjoying ice cream. I mean that at that age, that's what he should have been doing. Enjoying his life, not getting roasted or running a country. Yeah, TNON just looks like it's consolidating at the bottom. I wish the 200 EMA was below. That would be a nice opportunity, but it's not. Now Rob wants to get us in trouble. Anyways, uh, DWTX, DWTX. See what I mean? Like this is the type of stuff that I say like I'm tired of, right? President Trump says all tariffs on Canada will disappear if they become a 51st state. Like, dude, relax. Just relax. Canada doesn't want to become the 51st state. Stop yapping. Just stop. Just stop. Just relax. Just go have some pancakes or something. Like, just relax. Kind of tired of the rubbish. Virus. Seriously. Unbelievable. Ridiculous. At this point I really don't. At this point I really don't. I really, really don't. Initially it was like, oh, I really don't. That's yeah. Do. Yeah. Do. Husa. Unbelievable. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah, they just need to all sit down, and relax and make deals. That's it. Like I said earlier, though, I think we all understand that the like it's more of a negotiation thing, and there's nothing wrong for these leaders fighting for their countries, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Um, I think we all expected that from Trump, and then the new dude from Canada. I think we're all gonna expect that, Again, there's nothing wrong with like the leaders fighting for their countries, right? They just need to relax with all the social media rubbish and all the over the top stuff. Though that's the stuff that's getting old, right? To me, we all know this is gonna be done at some point. Like, come back in a month, come back at the end of March. Maybe that's too soon. Come back soon, and all of this is gonna be done, right? And we're gonna move on. But I think we need to relax with like, oh, Canada needs to become the 51st. But yeah, Virus. But thank you for the super chat. Virus says, just to be clear, I love my country, but hate the how served another news. Virus, thank you for the super chat. uh, Regina, see, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, Trump says there was a 250% tariff on and to 390% on some dairy products in the states, right? So I don't know if that's true or not. So yeah, yeah. So again, like I'm not arguing against the tariffs or like what they're doing because I know they're again they're trying to get something done, right? So I'm not against that, right? Not against that because I think we can all say that we don't know enough, right? Let the smart people figure it out. But at the same, I'm just saying like all of this other over the top rubbish is yeah, yeah. But yeah, so they can do whatever they need to do. Just relax with all the other over the top stuff. Sounds good, Teggy. Have a wonderful day at work. Time for Taco Tuesday. Let's go. I like it. Um, I know Archer. Virus wanted violence. Yeah. Rob. At least that's what they think. So let them figure it out. Because our opinion really doesn't count. But let them figure it out. Exactly, Jay. Let them figure it out, you know? Like I said, I'm not against like any of this stuff. I think, again, there's so many things that Trump is fighting for that are good, right? That if they actually do happen, they're good, right? So, and the things that Canadians want that are good, right? So all of these leaders are fighting for their country, and that's a good thing. Everybody has to fight for their country, right? All I'm saying is sometimes we need to stay off the social media and all the other stuff. And it was a golden age, and people did not pay taxes. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not arguing against any of that. I'm just saying all the social media stuff needs to. They need to lock them in a room, and say, "Come on, put on the boxing gloves and make deals, and then let's move on." Right? Do, 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 do. You know? Yeah, no, Anyways, it would be nice if something was cooking up 1,000%. Then we could just move on. But yeah, any new headlines? Na 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 na. Transparency, everything. Besides, I'm greedy. I know, and super cheap entries. Yeah, everybody has that one thing they're looking for. All I'm saying is, I think the transparency is good too, right? I think Elon with the Doge Twitter account saying stuff. I think that's good. I think it's nice for people to see stuff like that. I think it should be like that anyways. If people are paying taxes and you're using their monies to run the country, I think people should know where their money is going to and what's happening and blah blah blah, and really have a say. But at the same time, I don't think it's over the top at this point, especially from Trump. Over the tops. Sometimes it's unnecessary. Unnecessary is all I'm saying. No, 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 no. The SB. The stocks are not stonking, but the Trump tweets keep coming in. Ah, the stonks are not stonking. We need some stonks to stonk and go up 1,000%, and then maybe. No, 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 no. Yeah, hopscotch. I don't even know who you are. Is this virus's other account? It is, isn't it? Unbelievable. Virus? Yeah. Uh, the stonks are not stonking. Recession risk. La 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 per. uh, virus. Good morning, Gail. Hello, 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 hello. Did we make new lows? Yeah, the S&P made brand new lows. Now a whole bunch of news platforms are picking up like the recession stuff and talking about recession. Recession this, recession that, recession, recession, recession. Violence, probably virus. Probably, probably. B hat is pushing up a little bit. I think, yeah, people are moving to the penny stocks, it seems. To the penny stocks, yeah, it looks like TNON broke below. So yeah, kind of a kind of a penny stock day, isn't it? Yeah, look at blue hat. I mean, again, this isn't anything that I personally like to play with, honestly. Um, right? Like it's below 5 cents. Like this is a Raven type thing. But uh, I'm out of space. What do you mean out of screenshots? It's up to you, Paul. Like if you want to, yeah, should be good. If you want to, for sure, we can. If you want to. Uh, thank you, Hopscotch. Have a wonderful day as well. Have a wonderful day. uh, Penny stonks. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, yeah. Send me a DM, Paul. Like, let me know what you want to talk about. Right. I know we kind of talked about like shorts and trend lines. Let me know if that's still what you want to do, and then yeah, we can kind of go from there for Saturday. True, true. Archer's cooking those puts, virus. Cooking those puts. Mm-mm-mm. Cooking the puts. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Na, 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 na. Did Tesla go back down, Dan? Oh, dang. Oh, my goodness. Tesla was looking so nice, you know? Oh, it was looking so nice. Unbelievable. Yeah. Raven on B hat? I know. Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. CUTR. Yep, people are definitely moving on to the penny stocks. Yeah, 100% on SPY and Palantir puts. Yeah, nice. Very nice. I like it. Smat, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. La, la, la. Isn't that another penny stock, Prince? This is the penny stocks. Have you guys ever heard of this too shall pass? You guys heard that? It's one of the like one of the best expressions ever. You know, the best you have. This too shall pass. Do, 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 do. Yeah, as a bathroom joke. Unbelievable, Tony. No, that expression. Yeah, you can use that for the markets as we go down. Alrighty. Eventually, we're not going to be talking about tariffs or they're just going to become a norm, right? And we're going to move on. You know, and everybody will adapt because that's what humans do. Humans are amazing at adapting. That's what I say when eating Taco Bell. You guys are very useless. Uh, anyways, uh, unbelievable. Mm-mm-mm. Depressed and yeah. So you made some money from SYRS and then you sold. Good, good. Well done. Well done. 350 and then 480. I like it. I like it. I like it. Spy is making new lows, guys. So again, clearly a lot of weakness, right? Nvidia 105, and it just got filled today. Let's go, Jacob. Woof. Ooh wee. 550 today. 550. 550. Blood on the streets. Blood on the streets. Doo, doo, doo. Archer, I know you would. Which puts are you holding? I know you would. Is it time? It's always time to like closer to 100. So I think I mentioned between 90 and 110, scale in slowly. 545, Archer. Okay, sounds good. 311s. Okay. 311. So you're just looking for the violence and then quick exits. Yeah, Sky, as long as you're slowly scaling in, right? Because I don't think anybody can really tell you where the bottom of this chaos is going to be at, right? But I think we know that closer to $100, especially for Nvidia, is a nice discount. So yeah, isn't that interesting? Both archers want the markets to get slapped. Unbelievable. You're waiting for below 100. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. And again, you don't need to catch the exact bottom, right? You can just scale in. But if you're waiting for $100 or below $100, then that's fine too. Let's go. You might as well enjoy it now, Archer. Enjoy now. Because when the markets turn around, you better not be holding puts. You better not be holding the puts. Yeah. Yeah, no, again, we talked about this yesterday, right? Like market psychology. So we're hoping that this is this is the last week of dipskis. Like this week we hit the low and then move on. So if we're sitting at 550 or wherever we're sitting at the end of the week, right? Hopefully that's it. And then we can have a sharp, sharp rebound and then move on. Alrighty. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is it again. Maybe this doesn't work because now we're dealing with tariffs and whatnot. But yeah, you're just seeing that SB. Yeah, the dude is yapping. But alrighty, sounds good, Josh. Much love. Too much. That's the best chart. Yeah. Yes, yes. That's why Archer's cooking the damn markets. Cooking. La 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 la. Okay, sounds good. La 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 la. Okay, sounds good. La 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 la. Okay. Okay, perfect. Perfect, Paul. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah, with the Canadian wood SB. Yeah, no. As soon as it breaks below $1, Samad, I don't really care for it, right? There goes B hat pushing for brand new highs of the day. So people are clearly loving the penny stocks and DWTX new highs of the day on this one as well. For people that don't like the penny stocks, so Raven is smiling Raven. La, 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 la. There it goes. 1177. 1177. So that thing is cooking. And then yeah, of course, B hat 63%. Opinion on ONDS. What's your position? Are you in it or you're looking for an entry? I'll take a look. Let me know where your position is. he is. He is. He is. Do 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 do. You're down 38%. Where's your stop loss at though? Where's your stop? Yeah. Do you not have a stop loss on ONDS? Let me know. He was saying that before he got into office, Tush, and then once he got in, there was no winning. Do, 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 do. No winning. Interesting. When's the next Fed meeting? When's the next Fed meeting? Does anybody know off the top of their head? Yeah, blue hat just keeps going. I could look at the calendar, obviously, but there you go, 78%. Blue hat on fire. Okay, fine. I'll pull up the Fed website. The Fed website. Look at the calendar. That's today, March. So we passed all of this already. Next week. Next week. Interesting. Next week. No, not Thursday. Next week. Interesting. Next Wednesday. Okay. Interesting. 1,000% runner. Blue hat. Array. Oh, yeah. Yes, yes. Treasury statement. No, I was asking for the Fed meeting. Fed. Uh, yeah. Yeah, Tesh. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the Fed does. next Wednesday. Why does it seem like every week is just straight chaos now? Straight chaos. Then dinner? Buying instead of Tesla? uh, snacking. Seriously, virus. Seriously. Clearly, the trend is down. Like just down, 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 down. Yeah, no, Jay, Sean. Yeah, no, that's a good little crawl there for Ray as well, right? Pop supply zone 175 supply and then consolidated at 120 127. Not bad. BTC is red. Yeah, everything's gonna be red. Bitcoin cannot get past, like, again, Bitcoin isn't at the point where it can get past all the negativity in the market. As much people can say that as much as they want, like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is like the hedge to the market, hedge to the this. Bitcoin is just not there yet. Someday it will be. It's just not there yet, right? You're dealing with the same group of people. When retail panics, guess what they're gonna sell first? Uh, they're gonna run to go sell like the crypto first, and then they're gonna start selling stonks. So today's the last day I buy the tips. Ah. I promised myself today's the last day I buy the dip. That's it. I'm getting tired. ah, Virus bought the dip and then he got the dippity dip dips. Ah. No kidding, Virus. And we're not even done yet today. It's not even lunchtime yet. By lunchtime, we're gonna be below 550. Ah, then you can buy again. Ah, good morning, day trading. ICCT is $1. The next resistance. Let me take a look, and then I'll come back to Ray. ICCT, two C's. So you're in at 73 cents. Cool. Let's take a look. Yeah, not a bad bottom, right? So then you're looking for no. So 82 cents, 82 cents, and then $1. Let me look at that 4 hour candle. Might be a little bit clearer. Yeah. So see what I mean though, right? You see it? Right. So you have $1 up there, which again is an obvious level because you have all of these candles wicking and bouncing and then failing right there. So clearly $1 resistance, but you can't ignore this level yet, right? The last time we curled, it failed right there on these candles, and then it failed again right there, right? So it's kind of giving you a W. That's your next resistance, and then the dollar. Ah, seriously, Bradley. Seriously. You buy the dips and then you buy the dips, and then you the Mexican president. Okay, back to Ray. Did you get into this one, Sean, or no? Let's see. Mm, hmm. 130. Okay. Yeah, you're kind of feeling in the view up for now 150, Sean. So 150 resistance and then the top of the range 175 ish, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, looks like right above 20 cents, Tony. Spy with a bit of a pop, right? But it's done that a few times. It's waiting for the next tweet, and then boom skis, boom skis. DWTX still looking good. 140. Okay. Yeah, at least you're gonna end up being green. Yeah, okay. It hit your stop loss. Do, 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 do. Mm, let's see. Mm, I'm just looking at these headlines. Okay. And being satisfied with tension, yeah, they really do add up. Um, they really, really add up. So 10% here and there, good. Up and down. And the next momentum, yeah, exactly, virus. Especially when you've been adding and you have like a bigger, long term account. Dang, spies are rebounding there. So 557. Maybe that's your resistance to back down, Archer. uh, yeah, straight violence, Dan. Violence. Do, 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 do. Violence. Michael, are you in a position? It looks really good, doesn't it? And it's still going. What's your position? This isn't the first time that this thing is running, so we can definitely look at some of the levels. Let me know. There it goes, 1260. You're in at $7 from a couple of days ago. Honestly, Michael, just let me pull up the daily before I answer your question. So, yeah, it looks like we're approaching that $13 supply, right? But that supply zone is so wide because we have a whole bunch of wicks in that area. But that $7 was nice. So congratulations. Once you start tapping $13, you're gonna start having some resistance already. So you can consider scaling out or just moving your stop loss up, right? Um, you have a really nice entry, so you should be able to do basically whatever you want to do. Um, I need to update this algo to Rob. Yeah, there it goes $13, right? Like it's cooking. So you can always just set a stop loss, right? And then just slowly move it up at the higher it goes. But again, $13 is going to be the start of your problems. Ready? Mm. Do, 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 do. You want a 99 again? If you're trying to catch the bottom on something, it only takes like one agreement, Sky. It takes one agreement, Trump, Canada, Mexico, China, right? And then all of a sudden, like Nvidia goes from 105 back to 110, back to 115, and then you're like, dang it. Um, so the best thing to do is always you have $100 to buy that position instead of waiting for 99. Start scaling in, right? Buy $20 at a time, buy $10 at a time, right? And then go from there. And then there goes SPY failing from that downtrend, right, Archer? So basically that double bottom on the left hand side. So bottom one, bottom two, resistance one, resistance two, right? So It's the yo-yo, up, down, up, down, up, down. To Prince, the money's on the puts. Yeah. Oh, did you get stopped out? Dang it. Dang, 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 Archer. I just saw your other message now. La 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 la. Sky, probably. Look at that. We're almost back to the bottom again, right? Like every bounce we get now is just for shorting. Every bounce is just people take advantage of it and short it back to the abyss. Crazy, right? It's gonna be wild. Wild. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, we definitely do have some more room to the downside. Definitely. Oof. My goodness. Uh, so Kiev is supposedly ready for minerals deal. A member of the Ukraine delegation that came to Saudi Arabia to hold a meeting with United States said on Tuesday Kiev is ready to sign the mineral deal. Okay, no, that's not helping Spy though. Until they actually signed the deal. Yeah, here comes new bottoms. Oof. My goodness. Uh, Trump will surely be declaring a national emergency on electricity. Is that new? No, that was a while ago. I read that already, right? Yeah. Uh, no, 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 no. Okay. Okay. Looks like Spy's double bottoming there, though. At least for now. At least for now. Anyways, moving on. Dang, those guys just came for your stop loss and Ray and then went all the way back up, Sean. So Ray is back to 175 resistance. $1.75. And then that $13 was the problem, right? For DWTX, at least for now. Yeah, Ray is like, screw that resistance. I want to go higher. uh, I mean, Sean, the only other thing you could have done was get back in when we broke above the VWAP, right? It's okay to get out and get back in when it looks good again, you know. Let's go. Yeah, and Michael, again, it doesn't mean that it's done. It just had to retrace at some point. Now it's below 12, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna end up going to the abyss. It could find a way to consolidate and then push again, but now it's not. It's closer to 11 than it is to that high. So did you take some gains off the table when I traded? Yeah, seriously. Yep, yep. Sometimes it's just unnecessary. Just no need for it. But that's what the market makers do. That is what they do. Just holding for now, keeping stop wide. Okay. You have a nice entry anyways that you should be able to do that. Now, if you go red though, then we have a problem. But for now, you're okay. Okay. Ray. And Spice headed back to the bottoms. I wish they would just slap it, so we could be done with it. Just slap it. As Varys is looking on with no more monies to buy the dips. Varys, back to that website. The one that gives you monies. Yeah, only gains. uh, only gains. Yeah, Spice holding a bottom for now. Seems. No, I say it because we're on the same boat. Snowflake and Databricks. How is Bitcoin not at 73 yet? Maybe Bitcoin is finally hit its bottom. It's like, you know what? I'm tired of this. La, la, la. 105. I like it. No monies to buy the Divskis. Yeah, it's good to bag hold like good stuff though. No. Good to bag hold good stuff because it's gonna come right back up. No. There goes the S&P again, pushing for 557. Is it going to break out this time, Archer? It looks like it, doesn't it? Looks way stronger now. Red to green, everybody? Red to green? Yeah, red to green, right? Yes. Yeah, you can already see tech stocks like going back to green. Or holding up well, at least. Yeah, looks like Ray double topped for now. Uh, Perfect. I woke up swinging. Why? Because it went to the abyss virus. Not in it. Okay. Yeesh. That looks like a good level, doesn't it? 18 cents. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's that 18 to 17.50. I think that's a good spot, Tony. You might have missed it though. You might have missed it, but I think that was a good spot. Double bottom, 200 EMA-ish kind of, and then an uptrend plus demand zone. Ooh, Spy said, yeah, I'm gonna pop. I gonna pop. Off that 218. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the markets slowly coming back to life. Back to life. I should sell everything. Keep going, or are we gonna fail at the view app? Bet your Archer's looking for puts again. Looking for puts at above 558. What does that mean? Hmm. 560. That's what you're looking for. Sounds good. Yeah, Sonoma has been way too weak today, right? Just nothing to see there. B hat, yeah, B hat hit that supply, and then slap, 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 and then Tony, this is looking good, isn't it? Next resistance is right below 20 cents. Right below the 20 cents. And then SPY needs to clear the VWAP there. Needs to clear the VWAPs. Ooh, SPY is about to go green, isn't it? It's like, let me cook. Let me cook now. NVIDIA should be greener now, virus. Greener. Na, 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 na. It got back above 20. Yeah. That was a good spot though, Tony. Right? I wish you were in it. But nope, it left you behind. Said bye bye, Tony. See you on the other side of 20 cents. Companies dip plus time is money. Yep, exactly. Again, I think virus. We complain because short term nobody wants to lose monies, but when you're either you're buying shares or you're buying options with time, you're gonna be okay, right? You're gonna be a okay. And then the next person that shows up on streaming is like, is Nvidia a good buy at 120? I'm just gonna time them out. Exactly, Tony. Is it a good buy now? Where have you been? LYT. uh, na, 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 na. Mm, 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 mm. Archer, we're not on 120 yet. Don't ask. Wait, wait, wait. uh, not yet. Yeah, 104.80. That was a nice entry. Very nice. Ray's looking good though. Let me take a look. NVDA. What are we at? 109. Oof. Oof. That 104. Oh my days. Jericho, did you do some puts on this? I hope you did. I hope you did. Do, 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 do. Yup. That was a nice entry, wasn't it? Very, very nice. Do, 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 do. Mm. Did Ray just make brand new highs? Yeah, it did. It did. Na, 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 na. Yeah, spies are kind of stuck between the view up and the 200 there, and the supply zone. Stuck in between. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. Oh, that's why. Okay. Mm. Come on, Spy. You know you want to go back to the bottoms. It's the lowest seat in the house. Unbelievable. Now that Dan said that, watch Tesla is gonna go test 100. 210 at least. 210. Unbelievable. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, it does. But already done for the day. 2 times a daily go, Jericho. Nice. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. SPY is like, do I break out or do I not break out? Do I go or do I not go? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Wait, who? I'm in. Are you in AWH? Oh, what? Why are you crying? Don't cry. It's gonna be okay. Well, I mean, probably not for that stock. But are you in it? Judging by your tears, I think you are. Judging by the tears. I have no idea, virus. No idea. Uh, Shiva, what am I supposed to say? Yeah, PSTV is cooking them. What am I supposed to say? Do 175 double tops. Even the stocks that are doing well, Tony, if you missed them off the bottom, they look sus at the top. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Let me look at AWH. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yeah. I mean, again, use the damn stop loss, right? Use your stop loss. There's no need for you to be holding a stock and let it go all the way to the abyss like that. Use your stop loss. Otherwise, yeah. uh, Spy is really stuck at that 200. Does it break or does it fail? Is it gonna break or is it gonna fail? Mm. Mm-mm. So, stalling. uh, no, I agree, virus. I agree. Na, 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 na. SYRS has created a nice demand zone there, Tony. Just needs a bit more volume. A bit more volume. LYT. Hmm. That's a nice pop, actually. Straight to resistance. Looks like we had that line already there, though. 25 cents. You in at 11.50? Okay. Kind of looks like it's consolidating there, doesn't it? Yeah. Alrighty, sounds good, Virus. Back later? Okay. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Much love. Later. Yeah. I think we have what, like another 10 minutes or so? There you go, George. 11.76. The spread is a bit annoying though, isn't it? But it's pushing up. Pushing up. 11.90. Minus 48% on your position. Mm. Tony, is that for me? Like update my algo? No. I updated yesterday, but I only updated one side of it. So I need to update the other side. I think that's why it's giving me issues like that. Yeah, so SPY is failing at the 200 there, right? So yeah, it needs to stay below that if you're holding puts. If you're holding the puts. On Canada has not been signed. Raising, yeah, see, that's what I mean, right? Like, I think, so according to CNBC, I don't know who you can trust. I think eventually Trump is going to do what he wants to do, but according to CNBC, the paperwork raising tariffs on Canada has not been signed. So why are we, that's what I mean. There's just too much yapping. No, not for you. Ignore Luna. For me, yeah. For you guys, no. Ignore. NVIDIA is back to looking good. And SPY really wants to destroy puts. It's like, do I go? Do I not go? Do I go? LYT is back to testing 25 cents. 25 cents resistance. Trick? Okay. Uh, 25. Are they slapping SPY again? Yep. It's the same resistance. Yeah. As long as it stays below that 200 archer, you should be okay on those puts. You need another tweet. Another tweet. They really haven't been any swing plays, have they? Maybe at the end of the day, but there really hasn't been anything that like we look at and we want to swing. Not in this market. I'm just looking at the watch list, and there's yeah, not a whole lot. It's all just quick scalpies at this point until the market relaxes. Until we relax. Mhm. There it goes. SPA? I don't know. I don't know. Spy looks like it's on the verge of getting slapped. Uh, SYRS still looked good though. That was a good shout there at the bottom, Tony. Very good. And then it looks like LYT is failing at that 25 cents. So not a massive surprise that it's failing at resistance. SPY doesn't want to give up though. It's like down and back up, down and back up. This is the most strength that's shown all day today, isn't it? It is. This is the longest we've stayed up, as well, maybe at the open. But obviously now it's using that 200 as resistance. You did, Tony? Okay, nice. Very nice. I think NVIDIA is keeping the markets up. So like, you know what? This is it. I've had enough. Grim ran to the options crew. Ran. Hey yo, Troy, good morning. Yeah. No, I think he's trading in the mornings and then moving on to options, especially in this market. Especially if we're trending down like this, it gives you some nice opportunities for puts. Some nice opportunities for puts. Exactly, Tony. Exactly. Exactly. NVIDIA looking good, SPY looking better. Retesting resistance though. Uh, yeah, they slapped it from that supply. Slap, slap, slap. Anyways, let's do 5 more minutes, guys. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions and whatnot. If not, we can go look for some little scalpies in Discords and some puts and more dip buys. Can we do 6 minutes? 4 minutes. Well, we can do 6 minutes. We'll bottom, then go up, or cut your losses, Shima. Okay, sounds good. Ah, you guys are loving the puts, aren't you? Loving it. Google owned Waymo expands access to robotaxis across Silicon Valley. Waymo. GV popped a little bit. GV. Ayo, Chase. Good morning. How are you? Yeah, so SPY sitting right below that 200. Come on, slap it already. Or just let it break out. Don't just sit there. Don't just sit there. Yeah, so we have the Fed meeting next week, so that's going to be interesting. I'm going to take a screenshot of that and post it in the options channels, just so I can come back and look, and then go from there. Just something to be aware of into next week. You know what I mean, Tony? Like ridiculous, right? Yep. Yep. End of March, we should be back to cooking though. LYT has resistance, backyard boogie at 25 cents. So it looks good already. Just needs to break 25 cents and then more running. Yeah. Yeah, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Don't forget to hit the like if you haven't. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe as well. And if you're not a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Chase, how's the market been treating you? LYT. Yang, is that because your entry is $1.60 or what? Let's go, Danny Dan. Let's go. Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, if you can break above that 200 for sure. But you can kind of see the right, Chase. It hasn't broken above it yet or closed above, so not yet. Thank you very much, Dan. Congratulations, guys, if you got a free membership from Dan. Congrats. Take advantage of it already. Learn Korean? Okay. A few years ago? Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Well done, Chase. Well done. I like it. So we could almost use the algo now and do the just follow the trend line. And it looks like it's about to break below. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. They're like, nope, keep it above. Um, yeah, they're definitely protecting it on the way down as well. SPY. So, so if you're holding those SPY puts, if it breaks below that the bottom, then to the abyss. If it doesn't break below that bottom, maybe they want to push it back up. More density. You know what I like? Soul fried chicken. Ooh wee. So good. uh, nah. More density. Tony, right? Here we go again. Ooh wee. I'm always hungry, Dad. Uh oh, Spy's pushing the upside now. Uh-oh, Spy's like, hey guys, remember me? Yeah, I hold the bottoms of the range. You did? Oh, that sounds amazing. Yeah, no, we do, Jericho. Yeah, we do. We do. Do. Yep. Z pops. Yeah, Spy's like, screw your puts. Screw your puts. When do we go from red to green then? Yeah, tech stocks definitely look way better. Way better. Way better. Maybe yeah, the next supply is on Archer. I'm still hoping that we hit the bottoms for the markets this week. Hoping. Hit the bottoms. Let's get cooking. Come on, Dan, make the phone call. Call Nancy Pelosi, please. Ray's going back up. Yeah, trying to. Then LYT is still stuck at 25 cents. Alrighty, guys. I think we're going to leave it here for today. Right? Spy looks like it wants more, maybe. Thank you, Jay. See you in Discord. Have a great day as well. Much love, all. Thank you all very much for the support. We still got 5 minutes left. Tesh, from 600 to 550. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Be safe out there. Alrighty, we're gonna be in Discord. um, looking at SPY in the options channel and looking at scalpies in stock general and whatnot. So thank you all very much. Be safe. Don't give back the gains, Dan. Yeah. Alrighty. Thank you, Jericho. And much love. Bye, guys. For now, see you guys in Discord. Peace, Tesh. Bye, Jericho. Chase, have a good one as well. Bye, guys.